Today I'm gonna show you my 93 Nissan after I changed the transmission. Don't start and don't crack. Everything is good. No fuses out, but they don't want to start. Let's see. I turn the key and don't start. Don't make any crack, but it was running before I pulled the transmission out. What I found it is this: the safety neutral position is under the transmission, but we're gonna see. Push your brake, push your brake pedal, release neutral. Turn off. We're gonna try to back on. Now it works. Before not. Some porking. Now you see. Yeah, look at this one. You see, there's a safety switch. That's the right one. You see, now start. But what happened? We put